Welcome to our ultimate showdown between two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub. Today, we'll dive deep into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're living in a small apartment, a dorm, or an RV, finding the right washing machine is crucial. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers a compact 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for smaller loads. In contrast, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub boasts a much larger capacity, handling up to 20 pounds for washing and 12 pounds for spinning. This significant difference makes the Erivess a better option for larger families or those who frequently do laundry. Price is always a critical factor when choosing a washing machine. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, while the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub is more budget-friendly at $199. This price difference makes the Erivess a more attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing functionality. In terms of features, the Comfee is a fully automatic washing machine, offering convenience with its auto-unbalance detection. On the other hand, the Erivess is a semi-automatic model, which requires manual transfer of clothes between the wash and spin tubs. However, it comes with a drying rack and 10 hangers, adding extra value for users who need to dry their clothes efficiently. In conclusion, both the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub have their strengths and weaknesses. The Comfee offers a fully automatic experience, while the Erivess provides greater capacity and affordability. Depending on your specific needs, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.